Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set image duration in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application, and as you can see, I have imported my images to this project, and I recommend you to set the image duration before you add your image to the CapCut timeline. If you want to set the duration, you can go to the menu and select the settings, and in the settings select the edit option. Then here you will be able to set image duration. For example, I'm going to set it to 3 seconds, and we can click on save right here. And after that, we can add our image to the timeline, and as you can see that the image has 3 seconds duration. And I'm going to add the third image. Okay, and all my images will have 3 seconds. They will have same duration automatically. Okay guys, and that's how we can set image duration in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.